Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 21st, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So the daily time frame did make a 61% fib bounce, and if it does close, the daily closes above, like an engulfing move up, then I would definitely at that point look at this as a three-way pullback and potentially the continuation of the uptrend. It definitely has not done that yet, so we kind of have to look at this move up as possibly a pullback to the market flow, which is the market flow is definitely still down. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got a pretty impulsive move up right here. Then we have what looks a pretty corrective down. It kind of seems like this potentially could drift up a little bit. Maybe we test the 78%. Then if it turns down like that, that potentially would be a nice 1, 2, 3 way pullback like an ABC and would be a really nice sorting opportunity most likely. But if it just keeps on pushing up and that daily time frame does engulf by the end of the day, then that's what's going to turn me into a buyer starting tomorrow after we get the first pullback. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.